Also, we're recording this for YouTube references.
Dave, the law's for 25 miles an hour, so we're good.
So we can only go 25 miles an hour?
We're lower.
Allegedly.
Really?
But all that road all the way down is 25.
But
No, there's one part that's 35 actually. Right there in front of the school.
Oh, look, we're gonna get hit.
Shut up.
I'll be the
Don't
one.
say that shit.
No, No, it's okay. I'll be the one that gets ejected. No, my love.
Ejected.
No, you and Curtis.
Yeah, probably.
Penetration.
Oh my God, he'll break his collarbone, and I'll break my ankle.
Let me get some of that bread. You fucking asshole.
Oh my God, UPS guy.
Oh my God. He's like, oh, what the fuck are they doing? Hey, Bill.
Hey, you guys!
Fucking Goonies.
Holy
fuck!
It's been a long time since I've done this.
Last time I did this, I was a little girl.
Last time I did this, I was at the river.
I was drunk
You were
last
what?
time.
A little girl.
Alright, I just want to make sure I heard that.
I was drunk last time I did this, and I almost fell out the back of the truck.
Wait, wasn't that you too?
No.
Yeah, go back to the river, I thought.
Oh!
Go back to the river, I thought. Or did you just throw up in the bed of the truck?
No, I threw up in the bed of the truck.
We want to go cross country doing this.
Yes.
That would actually be pretty cool.
But we
Get
can
some
only go
little
25
seats.
miles an hour.
Like the actual seats with seatbelts? Yeah, it'd be pretty nice.
I've done it, and I went 40 I was in a 40 mile an hour zone. Could I have gotten pulled over for that?
Yeah.
What?
Hey, Trina.
You know what the best part is? If you have a Bronco, because it's already an open cab once you take the cab off.
Technically, yeah. But still, Broncos are still technically classified as
Yeah.
SUVs.
No, that's still fun though.
Dude, I would love an old Bronco like that. Those things
Like
are
Ferris?
awesome. Yeah, similar to Ferris. Or Cody Holzer, his was pretty nice.
Well, we'll pass that one that we were looking at. Oh, we will.
What's his fucking last name?
Oh, that's right. Who? Ferris?
No.
Cody?
Hey guys, I'm gonna be that
The
guy.
guy that works at Rita's with me. Monday.
Wait, back!
I'm not talking about him. I'm talking about Cody from Millbrook.
Brooks?
Cruising down the street
Who had
in
the,
my Toyota.
No, who had the Matt Black Bronco.
Rolling down the street in my
I
little
can't
ass
remember
truck.
that.
Hey, Bill.
No, that's a dude that sells drugs right off of 7 right near the highway.
For heroin.
Yeah,
For heroin.
yeah, for heroin.
How's it feel to be vaping?
And Reitman.
My nipple's hard.
When are your nipples not hard? They're pierced.
No, that's Curtis.
Oh, him too.
Hello.
Hey, there's a cop right there.
I like how they're going through our clouds. We should, all three of us vape at the same time. One. And
That'll work very well.
it's still back there.
His hair doesn't move.
What is this sorcery?
All right, Curtis. Hey!
Did he really dab back?
Do it.
Oh. At the light, make a
Doggy!
right. And make a left. You're gonna turn to that parking lot that I turned into.
We're just going to work. Leave us alone.
¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó?
Home Depot?
¿Dónde está la biblioteca,
Where the house remaining?
There's a cop in that parking lot, so sit down, Hunter.
Oh shit.
Eh, ¿qué pasó,
Alright, just calm down, man. Oh, he's inside.
Curtis, don't die.
You're gonna make a left at this light.
Make a left. Go a left.
And then another left.
Then you make a left.
And
Then we
to the
park.
right.
Then we park in the parking lot.
This is how you do it.
Oh, that's a. Hey, there's Bill. Oh, no, never mind.
Oh, that's hustle. We would be fucked if this guy hit us.
I do it. All be
my
fine.
Oh, my God.
Really mean.
Ow, mother.
Hey, vato.
¿Qué pasó?
She don't want you.
No. I don't want her.
Sorry.
Oh, ow.
It's going down for real.
¿Qué pasó, Bill?
Ayúdame, ayúdame. I'm being kidnapped.
He's gonna miss the parking lot, I guarantee it.
Right, well,
I guarantee
I'm
it.
fine with that. Ayúdame.
Ayúdame, ayúdame, ayúdame.
that truck.
Bell.
Oh God, he's gonna rear
That
end.
truck's in. Ayúdame!
Fucking wave, bitch. I'm Rick James.
I'm Rick James, bitch.
I'm Rick James, bitch.
You're in charge of recording.
Oh shit.
Someone make sure you get to my parking lot.
Hunter.
Fuck, your hair doesn't move.
No, it doesn't.
Hi, Maddie.
Right. Sasquatch Jesus.
Alright, you see the flowers?
Turn
Get
right
into that
before
turn
the
lane and make
flowers.
It's
the
because
left.
you're not me, Maddie. That's
It's that parking lot.
Sexy and
There
I
you go.
know it.
Take your phone back.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh shit, the bump. Oh.
3, 2,
It's hitting hard.
This is a church parking lot, man.
Oops.
And you've smoked me back here.
I haven't.
I had sex back here.
God damn it, Curtis.
I'm alive.
When did you guys smoke weed?
You alive?
I don't know, it's somewhere.
We didn't smoke weed. We got weed.